Hello, thank you so much for joining. So, today we're going to learn about product creation and management using the point of sale from the front end and the back end. Now, the back end, it is where we have just logged in on the home page. Now, when I go to the product point of sale application, so this is like the back end side. So I'm going to create point of sale for the restaurant. It's an example with sample products. So with this one, we're going to see how we can able to manage and create products from here at the back end. Then from there, we're going to go to the front end. That is where we do sales from the point of sale. Now there also we're going to see how we can able to manage products and create new ones if we don't have them. So when I go to the products here and I click products, I'm going to see some of the products that I already have. For example, when I go to the bacon burger, you can see this is where we put the product name. Then if this product I'm going to, because we have two different selling application, we have the sales app, which is a multi-step, and we have the point of sale for a an outlet area where there is only one step, that is selecting the product, adding discounts, and making payments, then printing the invoice or the receipt. Then if this product also we purchase it, I'm going to choose that we purchase. So in our case, mostly these we're going to manufacture it. So I'm not going to do put like we purchase it. So this means that I cannot be able to get it from the purchase side. So the purchasing and logistic team and department will not see this product. But for the manufacturing team, they are going to see it. So then we have three type of product types. So we have goods for the tangible goods, services for intangible goods, that is the services delivery company. And then you have combo. Combo is where, for example, if we connect if we sell it as a combo, let's say as a add-on, let's say we have this bacon burger, then we're going to have veggies as the combo. Then we have invoicing policy. So these are the tab of general information. So then we have the in ordered quantities. So we have two different delivered and ordered. So ordered means that I can put to raise an invoice and payment before even delivery. But delivered quantity means I have to deliver first before I can go to raise an invoice or a payment. So then we have the track inventory field. So this I can go to allow or disallow. So in our case, when I allow, then it means we are able to manage or track inventory by either quantity, by lot, or by unique serial number. By quantity is a normal quantity. Lot is where we can have a batch. For example, we can purchase or produce a batch and then we can go to give it a number. So this number, we're going to track the inventory with this number. Same case with the unique serial number. Then we have the selling price where we set. If we have VAT, we are VAT compliant, then we're going to have the 15%. Then we have going, if for example, this is the selling price, then we set our cost, and then we have the category. On the product category, this is where I set my costing methods. As you can see, we have the removal strategy, FIFO, last in, fast out, closest location, list packages, and then we have costing methods like standard, we have fast in, fast out, and we have average costing. And if you come here to from our explanation, then we're going to see that standard pricing, these are the products are valued at their standard cost defined on the product. Then average costing, this is the products are valued at weighted average cost. Then the fast in, fast out is the product are valued supposing those that enter the company first will also leave it first. So for now, I'm just going to leave it as fast in, fast out, and I'm going to just save this. And all the products that are going to be under that, as you have seen, like we have all saleable, then we have like 69, 61 products of them. So it means they have these, configurations. So this is where we put the name of the category and the parent. So once I do that, just do like that, so it will show first the parent and then the So it will be the category and subcategory in this case. Then we have reference. So we can just have like you know company reference. I can just say maybe in the company we know it as B Burger. So this is just an example. Maybe this is how we call it. Then the name, its name, how it appears on our prints, like that is the order and also the invoice. It is this. How also we sell it from the point of sale. But in our company, maybe we know it like this for easier searching and easier getting it. So if this product has a barcode, I will also set a barcode. Then if you're managing a multi-company database like this mine, then I can choose which company or branch this product will be shown or be sold. So if I want it to be appearing on all the companies, then I'm going to leave it as a default like this, and it will appear to all. Then I go to the attributes. This is where we set, like for example, different attributes on this product based on either color, size, or anything that can go to have like one product with multiple attributes. Like this product can come with Belgian fries, homemade fries, can come with sweet potatoes fries, smashed sweet potatoes, potatoes with thyme, grilled vegetables. And if I want to configure this again, I can always click on this configure and I can go to set everything as we have seen. For example, if we add more amount from the $15 we have just set, then let's say if you add this one, you're going to pay extra certain amount, then I can always set that. And I will also exclude maybe other products, maybe if it is under different products. So if it is, for example, an attribute that is chosen from different products, then I can put the extra price and I can exclude maybe certain products. Maybe that one it doesn't add. But if all the products that are connected to this attribute have an extra price from that, I'm just going to leave it like that, and everything will be set. So when I go back to my bacon burger, I can go now to the tab of sales. So this way I can put like optional product. That is, if this product is no longer there or it's out of stock, we can always say, for example, they can also have like cheeseburger and others. I can choose multiple. So this is an upsell, for example. Or I can say, for example, when they purchase this, we can also entice them to purchase another one. So we can always add that. So we have also tags. Tags are, for example, some tags that we can add on this product for us to be able to remember it well. Maybe bread. So we can just create. We can add another one, maybe burger, it's a burger, and all those things. Then we have the quotation description that you can set, so that now each and every time you don't have to set like the description, and that's it for the tab of sales. When you go to the tabs of point of sale, then we have weight with scale. So this one is not using a weight scale, and then the categories under food. And as you can see, the color you can always choose a different color that this is going to have. Then we have the inventory tab where we set like it's for buy. If it's for manufacturing and we have the manufacturing app installed, then we're going to have another area where we can say this is not for buy, this is for manufacturing. But the moment this database only allows buy. So then we have the person who will be responsible. Most cases it picks the person who created the product. But if you would want to choose a different person, you can always just choose. Then we have the weight, volume, and customer lead days, how many days we take before we can go to deliver. Then we have description receipt. If, for example, it was a purchase, then we can set a description here so that now our stock or our logistic team, they can be able to see the details of this product. Then we have also the delivery note or delivery order. So the delivery order will have a description under that if you would want. So after this, I'm going to just save it. And as you can see, this is where we add a product. If I would want to change, I'll just click like this and I'll be able to just change it. And then we have on hand. On hand is where we put like how many quantities we have as we start. So if I click on this, I can choose, for example, I have maybe 200 of them, and then I just click on apply. So it means then it changes both on hand and forecast. So forecast is the future. So it can be free to use because maybe we have sold it and the client has not yet picked, or we have not served them, Or maybe, for example, it is we have a manufacturing order or a purchase order that is incoming and confirmed but has not yet been done. So it means forecasting we're going to have a certain quantity. This way you can add different, documents if you would want, and then you can see the number of quantities that we have sold in 365 days, and then also we have if we have I would have set also purchase, then the same case will appear here how many we have purchased and a tab for purchase appears. Then we have the reordering rules. The reordering rules is, for example, we can set a minimum and a maximum. So it means if it is in between and close to the minimum, if it is something that is for manufacturing, it's going to be manufactured. It's going to create a manufacturing order, which is a draft. But if it is, for example, a purchase item, then we're going to have it as a draft purchase order. In and out is the history of this product, how we have been purchasing it, how many quantities we started with, how many we have sold, all those details. Then I'm going to just save it, and this product is well configured. Now, when I go to my dashboard and I go to my open the register to go to the point of sale, this product, the way that I've just configured, is the same way that is going to be seen from the front end of this point of sale. Remember, it has roles and permission. So, if, for example, at all it's allowing the administrator to be able to do that, then they will do from the backend. But also we have where we can allow the team from the sales who are doing the sales from our outlets using our point of sale app, they can always have to manage the product. So as you have seen, the product that we have just configured is this, and we have, as you can see, we have 200 units, and we have all these attributes that we can choose from. Then if I click on this information here, I can see like the quantities we have forecasted, and I can see the product name and the details just down here. If I want to edit, I can always edit if I have the rights, and I can put the name, I have the barcode, or just clicking here to scan it. Once I click, this like if I'm using a phone. So I'm just going to disallow that for now. And then we have where we can set the selling price if it has changed, if we have VAT, and then the category and the color and also the image. So I can go to also manage products just from the front end, just like this. When I click also just here and I go to create product, then I can also create a product. If it is no longer here, but I would want to sell it and have that right, I can always just add it from the front end instead of going back to the back end, adding it and coming back to the point of sales app front end. So that is how you can both manage products from the back end and from the